Hello and welcome to Tularis University. In this video, we'll show you how to log into your handheld by QR code or RFID token. Now, this feature is useful if you want to lock down your device and prevent any unauthorized users from gaining access to the device. We assume in this video that you have XPressEntry installed, you see in the middle of my screen, and that you have your handheld installed and connected, which you see on the far right of my screen. Now, the first thing to do is to enable this feature. So let's go into Tools, Settings. Now, under the reader profiles, you want to select the handheld functionality right here. And you want to click this option that says disable reader login and just uncheck it. Hit save. And as you can see, instantly the handheld that is under that profile would be locked down. Now, please note that this feature is a profile-based feature. So you can have one handheld locked down and another handheld on a different profile, you can leave it open. Now, the second thing to do is to create a role that would have access to open the handheld. So now let's go into the Add Edit Info. I'll just expand this so we can see. Now let's select roles. That should be one of the tabs here. And hit Add New. Give the role a name. Let's just call this Guard Access. Now you want to select the option which is to can log into handheld readers. You can give other features to this role, but for this video, we're just focusing on the feature to log in. Now you hit save. And now once you've created a role, the next thing to do is to assign that role to a user. Now I have some sample users here which I would like to assign the role to. And I'll just select one of them. So that's Choi Jackie. Let's edit Choi and go into the user tab. Select Choi. And you want to change that role to the guard access. Now, before I hit save here, I want to show you that this same user, if you look on the right, would not have access by default. So if you present a badge, it would tell you that this is an invalid badge for login. Now let's hit save on Choi and see what happens. Now, once you hit save, the user should have access to log in to the device. Now we can also log into the handheld device using a QR code. So let me select another user who has a QR code. So let's select a user called Mandela and grant that user access as well to log in. Now, please note that whenever a user logs in, that user is the admin for that device, and they will not be granted a normal entry or exit access to the device. Any presentation of that card will log in or out of the device. So let's log out of the device using the previous guard and log in now using the new guard by QR code. So you see Nelson Mandela has logged in. So I'll just log out using the QR, but I'll put on the camera so you can see that it's a QR code login. There you go. So this is the demonstration of the feature to log in via QR code or RFID token. Please feel free to reach out to us at helpdesk@tularis.com for any questions or queries, or sales@tularis.com for any product inquiries. Thank you.